Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Technique Thursday. Today, I'm going to be working with the King Bible Page Kit, and I'm working in my Interleaved Bible today because I want to do quite a big background, and I was scared to do it in my Illustrating Bible. I'm going to be honest. So, I'm going to do it here. This is a really special Bible, so I want to do the page kit here. So I'll just put that to the side, and I have prepped my page with 2 coats of the Art Basics gesso, so it's ready. We're going to do some watercoloring today, but it's going to be a lot of water, so I wanted to make sure that my page could handle all this good water. So first thing I'm going to do is just take my brush and put some water right onto the page, because we want the watercolors to blend. So don't need a lot, but some. And then I'm going to take my little palette here and just do some yellow at the bottom. I just want to drop yellow down. I'm going to put some more water in here. And just want to let that move and marble, and maybe we'll use some of this yellow. Looks kind of greeny. We'll just put that down here. You'll see, it's gonna look awesome. So just drop the yellow in there. And then clean off my brush a bit. Do some more water up here. It's got some yellow on it, but that's okay. I'm just doing this in parts. You can wet your whole page if you like, but I just wanted to do it kind of like this. So then I'm going to drop some light purple into the page and just make it more of a starry kind of night is what I'm going for. And this is kind of mixing, so I'm going to just dab with a paper towel and take that off and move that little thing. I don't know what that is, but let's get that off too and go back to our marbling. And you don't need the water on the page first. You can just do it however you'd like, really. It doesn't have to be in thirds. I'm going to take some of the yellow off there and put more purple down in the background here. And let that marble. And now for the top, I'm going to go in with a blue, sort of that midnight sky. So let's see which blue we should do. This one's calling me, I'm not sure. Ooh, that's pretty blue. So just gonna put that all over the page. Let that drip into the night sky. I'm gonna go back now, take the blue off my brush onto some paper towel and go back and add yellow down back at the bottom here. And we just all want this sky to mix and to mingle and just become this blue, beautiful night sky. And we could add dark purple in here. We could do that. I thought with the kings and a sky and dark and how they came to see baby Jesus, and I just thought, ooh, that would just look so beautiful. So let's take the dryer to it, and it's going to take a bit to dry, I do believe. We want to give the paint a lot of chance to move, and we can go in and pick up more color. We can add color. We can take color off by just dabbing with our paper towel. The big splotches, we can just help that dry a little quicker. And I'm going to go back in as I dry and just touch up some of this yellow. The kings are pretty much going to be covering the yellow, so I'm not too concerned about it. But just having some fun. And like I said, you can go in and add more color if you'd like, or take color off. Entirely up to you. Sometimes these take a long time because I love to play and just add color, and now that it's dry, I'm going to go back in with more purple and just darken up that piece of the sky a little bit. And maybe some of the blue. I wanted more of a night sky look, so let's do that. Got some on this page, but that's okay. And this page kit is for Matthew 2. When the kings come to see baby Jesus. Such amazing, amazing story. And I'm loving the devotional for Christmas that we're doing for Advent. Come and behold him. Oh, I think it's so much fun to do a page every day and to do a little reading. I'm enjoying that. And I had asked in our group last week, about what you guys would like to see for 2019. Let us know. What do you guys like working in Bibles, journals, planners? Do you like the illustrated faith book? Do you want generic elements, or do you want themed elements? Is there something we're missing that you guys would like to have? Because our goal is to give you guys what you want in the group. And that's really important to us. This little piece I'm going to let just dry on its own. We didn't get too much stuff on the back, so that's good. Just going to wipe this blue off so I can use my page. Again, my mats need a really good cleaning. So leave the brush in the water. And now I'm just going to take some white paint and attempt to make little sparkles in the sky. So I'm just gonna need more paint. I think my paint might be too this I don't want. I don't want big globs of white. I just want little globs, but in doing this and picking up the paint, we can get little blobs of white. There we go. Perfect. We'll put that aside for now, and then all we have left is our stickers. I sort of put this side of the book up a bit so that I didn't have lots of water running down. So let's see. I like this camel. To me, my camel guy goes in the back because they came on camels. So we want to make sure we get the camel in the background. And I think we'll put him right on the edge and the kings around him. So how's everybody doing preparing for Christmas? Are you doing devotionals? Are you studying, reading? What are you up to? Are you having Christmas with your families? We are having Christmas at the farm this year. I'm pretty excited about it. I'm so used to my mom. When we lived in Edmonton, my mom did all the cooking and the baking and the whole Christmas shebang. And now that we're here, we're staying here for Christmas, and the kids are coming here, and we're gonna have Christmas dinner at the farm. So, oh my goodness, what are we gonna have? I have no idea yet. I'm not a real turkey person, so I'm not really sure what I'm going to do. I don't know. What's your favorite thing to make for dinner? I'm thinking ham. So we will see. So let's put this guy maybe here by the camel. Maybe we should start with the last guy, right? Then we know how much room we have on our page. If he wants to come off the sticker sheet, that is. So I get lots of questions about what machine I use, and this is the Brother Scan and Cut that I'm using, and then I just kiss cut the stickers with a setting, and then they can pull right off the page. And each machine is different, so I use a -4, but some of my friends are using a -2. So it's, you know, it's really, you need to just print out some stickers and try it. I did a bunch of circles and then just tried it. What do you think of this guy? I think he's so cute. Okay, so we're gonna put him here, and I'll put this little dude on the other side, my little camel. And this background with some of it that has come off on this page, I don't mind because I am going to do something here. So I just have some color to start with. So this is pretty much the page. Just wanted to do a fun background and, you know, try something new and exciting. So thank you for joining me. Good luck with all your Christmas preparations in your heart and with your family and friends. And I will see you next week on Technique Thursday. God bless.